if you watch my video for number 4, then this one should be a breeze. We're going to use the same exact strategy, get back to basics, because even though there's a weird story, I recognize right away what this is. This is a linear equation. And I know lines really well, right? They all kind of follow the format y equals mx plus b, or we would like them to follow that format. And this one is pretty much perfectly lined up. Number 4 in this section was all jumbled, and so we had to kind of rearrange things so that we could get back to basics. Here, we're kind of already there. The only difference is that they've given us this story and they've changed the letters, but the format, the structure of this equation is the same. So you need to get in the habit of recognizing lines when they're part of a story, even if it doesn't say it. And now the real question is actually very easy because they're asking for something that's very obvious if we understand lines. The increase in inches of a boy's height each year, that sounds a lot like a rate. And for lines, the rate is the slope. What's the slope of the line? It's 3, so that's the answer. And that's it. Now look, they did kind of throw some weird stuff at us. This 2 and 5 thing is actually completely unnecessary to the question. It's really just there to distract us. And that's rare on an SAT. It's very rare that they give us information that we don't use. So that could make us nervous. But because we're so confident in y equals mx plus b and the get back to basics strategy, we're fine dismissing those numbers because we know very confidently what's actually happening in the question. So that's why you really want to know how to turn these story questions back into the normal math that you're used to, because you'll recognize stuff and be able to very confidently answer a lot of these. Most of them are lines. So y equals mx plus b should really be like in the front of your mind throughout the entire SAT math section.